Welcome back, everybody, to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we analyze stocks with real momentum and risks. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering Cipher Mining, ticker CIFR, a leading US based Bitcoin mining company expanding into high performance computing and AI infrastructure with industrial scale data centers. 2025 has been transformative. Shares soared 297% over the past 6 months, driven by a strategic pivot to hyperscaler backed AI deals with long term contracts. Analysts highlight this shift as a growth catalyst, with the Zacks consensus estimate narrowing losses for the year. However, on December 15th, CIFR dropped over 13% to around $14.70 amid Bitcoin's pullback and broader market volatility in crypto and AI sectors. Despite the dip, analysts maintained strong buy ratings with targets up to $27, seeing substantial upside. Is this a buying opportunity or a weakness? Share your view below. Buy, hold, or wait. Like for more crypto and AI stock insights, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video descriptions below. Become a member of my channel today. Make some cash, and we'll see you on the next one.